Choosing the right email marketing platform, whether your business is small, medium, or colossal, email response handling is of vital importance if you are part of a small business sending out a newsletter or email series to around 1,500 people per month. You'll require less sophistication regarding automation and response handling, and you'll be able to handle some of the work manually. But if you're handling mass amounts of emails, choosing email marketing software that will allow you to send automated responses or aggregate customer responses into tickets will be beneficial. There are a lot of different email marketing services out there. Ultimately, you'll want one that you feel will work best for your business and your goals that could integrate easily with your website. Here are some popular email marketing platforms to consider: MailChimp's Clever Idea, Auber Constant Contact, Emma iContact, Soundest, GetResponse, Kevu Remarketing. These email marketing platforms offer a place to keep your mailing list as well as an easy-to-use platform to create and send your emails. Here are some key aspects you want to consider when selecting the right email marketing platform. Email templates, other templates you can use, or do you have to start from scratch? Can you customize templates or add brand new ones for audience segmentation? Is it possible to organize your audience into different groups based on activity and behavior? Opt-in forms. How easy is it to embed forms into your store? Details analytics. Can you get all the information you need to make informed decisions? Pricing model. How does the company charge you per email sent per contact? What works best with your business is cash flow. There are free versions of free trials to let you get a taste of the kind of value to expect from different platforms. MailChimp is one of the most popular platforms since they allow you to have a free mailing list with up to 2,000 contacts, which is usually enough for someone who is just starting. Let's look at some of the most popular platforms available for email marketing. MailChimp is one of the most accessible email marketing platforms in the world today, with around 7 million users worldwide. For small to medium-sized businesses managing weekly or monthly newsletters alongside regular campaigns with a strong social media focus, this tool is ideal regarding analytics. MailChimp integrates with the likes of Salesforce, WordPress, and GA. The platforms also work seamlessly with those who treat Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram. The platform allows you to automate templates, customize emails, and add designs with ease, although effective and visually pleasing across all platforms. If you're looking for a tool that allows for a little more back-end development, MailChimp is somewhat limited. According to a recent benchmark report, Melcher shows an average open rate of around 22% across all the key industries. Get responses to get a response. It's a scalable email marketing tool that offers an excellent return on investment, as your price plan will depend on the size of your company and how many contacts you have at the time of sign-up. With 500 pre-designed templates powered by user-friendly editing software plus intuitive list building tools, it's possible to create fully integrated interactive campaigns with limited technical knowledge. They have some of the best Salesforce integration software on the market and have been praised for their 24/7 customer report and tutorial user seminars. If you are building campaigns based on assets from some sources, that response will allow you to export files from several formats and offer inbuilt statistics, including best performing emails and cost abandonment rate. Active campaigns. The Active Campaign drag-and-drop interface is a great way of building content-rich email campaigns with speed and accuracy. The platform boasts a range of sophisticated market and sales automation features, as well as a huge library of free stock images, image hosting, and real-time analytics so you can monitor campaign performance as it's happening. One of the main selling points for larger or more active businesses is its A/B testing too. The functionality is easy to set up, and coupled with real-time analytics, it can prove very effective optimization of campaigns that will offer a maximum return on investment. We have used MailChimp and are above for most of our products and customers, and in most cases, we believe both platforms will be easy to set up. For any beginner or advanced user, once you have selected your platform, you need to consider how you start building your list. The first thing you'll want to do is think about where to place your opt-in forms.